What if you could turn your Instagram comments into conversation with AI? Well, let me show you how with Jotform. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you use Instagram, you know that the comments are where that engagement starts. And AI can actually help that conversation keep going as well as the momentum. So as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my workspace, and as of right now, I only have my AI agents chosen. So for this example, we're going to choose Penny. She is my penguin conservationist. We're going to choose to edit our agent. We're going to automatically land in the build tab, but I'm going to jump over to publish. We can see that I'm already connected. And since we're talking about comments, I'm going to come down here to the bottom. We can see that it is already turned on. I'm going to go and click on that gear to customize. And we can see that we already have one. And this is set up to be one post with a specific keyword to reply with a comment and a DM. So let's go ahead and start a brand new automation. If you want, you can give this automation a name, because if you're doing it on a specific post, you want to know which one is which or which keyword is which. So you can definitely change this to be what you want it to be. You can have it be all of your posts. So if all of your posts are talking about saving the penguins and you want people to donate, you can have it be donate on all of your posts. So if you're talking about, hey, if you'd like to donate, they can do it on any post and they'll receive that similar message. Or if it's specific posts, you can choose that. Again, you can choose it to be all comments, or you can choose it to be comments with keywords like the donate option. I'm going to go ahead and keep it all comments. Here we can reply with a DM. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because this one is just about comments. And we can see here, it says, thanks for your comment, check your DM. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that last part. Perfect. All right, and then this right here, it says your AI agent will generate similar answers to the provided text as well. Then down at the bottom, we have some advanced options. The first one is going to be about response hours. So if you'd like your AI agent to only respond during daytime hours, or maybe evening, maybe weekdays or weekends, you get to choose what that looks like. For me, I want it to respond at all times. If someone's going to comment on my post in the middle of the night, I want them to get a response. And then you also have a follower count as well. So if you only want to reply if the follower count is above a certain amount, maybe below a certain amount, you can absolutely do that here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that one off also. Let's go ahead and save. Perfect. And you can see that because I kept the same title, it did reply to comments too. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to jump over to my Instagram account, and I'm going to use my phone to comment on, we're going to do this one right here where they are diving in. So let's say, I'm going to say it's super cute. So we'll go ahead and get that posted. I'm going to do a quick refresh. We'll come back down. We now see we have that comment. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we already have a reply. Let's take a look at that reply. It says, thank you for your comment. And it is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to use your Instagram AI agent to help you keep those conversations going in the comments, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.